The waveform you see on screen now looks a lot different than the simple sine wave. This is what we know as a complex wave. This particular waveform is a clap. Let's take a listen. The complex wave is made up of many different wave frequencies, and therefore, because of the fluctuation in both amplitude and frequency, you actually see the resulting peaks and valleys that almost never look identical along the way, but they do relate in some instances. As you can see at this section here, there's a bit of a variance that looks pretty familiar as we scoot on along down the way. This double valley section here followed by a peak. Now, because this is a loop, you will eventually see the loop come back around again. But you often will see things that do kind of look alike, but in most cases, there's a lot of identity to every second of a complex wave.